People staged protest demonstration in Rajouri town against the so-called new brutal land order policies. Villagers from adjoining areas gathered in Rajouri town demanding the immediate rollback of the land order, which is aimed at evicting the locals from their land to settle the non-locals there. All party Surrogate Conference leaders have called for a shutdown in civil lines and adjoining areas on January 21st, 2023 to commemorate the 23rd anniversary of Gawakadal massacre. APHC leader Engineer Hilal Ahmad War, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said 52 innocent and unarmed civilians were killed in cold blood and 250 sustained serious bullet injuries inflicted by the Indian troops. National Conference leader Mustafa Kamal has said that both the 2016 Uri attack and 2019 Pulwama attack were planned by the Modi-led Indian government to defame Pakistan. He said that there were no photos or bodies of the killed soldiers and that all those who lost their lives were from the scheduled caste categories. India, in continuous violation of international laws and conventions, has planned a housing colony for serving and retired army officers, soldiers and their families in Jammu city. Dwellers would be issued domicile as per new domicile policy introduced by the Modi regime after the abrogation of special status of Jammu and Kashmir in August 2019. Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party President Vilayak Shant Singh has said that BJP has failed to deliver what it had promised to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Singh said people from all walks of the life are suffering and BJP is adding fuel to the fire. All Jammu and Kashmir Panchayat Conference has opposed the Modi regime's so-called anti-encroachment drive that is meant to displace hundreds of innocent Muslim families from their homes and shops across the Jammu region. Indian Army along with paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force has started special weapon training for its terror-armed group Village Defence Guards in Rajouri district. Village Defence Guards are getting armed training from camps in Nowshera, Poonch, Kishtwar, Doda, Kathua, Riasi and Jammu districts.